Space. It's infinitely vast, deeply mysterious, and honestly, a little bit terrifying. If you think your daily commute is long or the weather is wild, just wait until you see what's happening in the rest of the cosmos. Here are 10 amazing facts about space that will completely break your brain. 1. Space is completely silent. If an asteroid smashes into a planet, it doesn't make a sound. Because space is a vacuum, there is no atmosphere or air for sound waves to travel through. So, all those massive cinematic space explosions? Total Hollywood lies. 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates on its axis incredibly slowly. It takes about 243 Earth days just to rotate once. However, it only takes 225 Earth days to travel all the way around the Sun. That means on Venus, a single day lasts longer than an entire year. Talk about a long week. 3. Footprints on the Moon last for millions of years. Because the Moon has no atmosphere, it has no wind to blow away dust and no water to wash it away. The footprints left behind by the Apollo astronauts in 1969 will stay there, perfectly preserved, for at least 100 million years. 4. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. When massive stars collapse into neutron stars, they become incredibly dense and rotate at mind-boggling speeds. Some of these stars can spin up to 600 to 700 times per second. Imagine an object the size of a city spinning faster than a kitchen blender. 5. There is a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Astronomers discovered a massive cloud of gas called Sagittarius B2 that contains billions of liters of alcohol floating near the center of the Milky Way. To make it even weirder, it also contains a chemical called ethyl formate, which gives the entire cloud the distinct smell of rum and raspberries. 6. You can fit all the planets between Earth and the Moon. The distance between Earth and the Moon seems relatively small in photos, but it's actually about 239,000 miles. If you lined up every single plane T in our solar system, from Mercury all the way to Neptune, side by side, they would perfectly fit into that gap with room to spare. 7. It rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. The atmospheric pressure on gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn is so intense that it can crystallize carbon. Scientists believe this creates literal hailstorms of diamonds that melt into a liquid diamond ocean as they fall deeper into the planet. 8. Space has a distinct smell. Even though astronauts can't breathe the vacuum of space, they report a distinct odor on their suits when they re-enter the airlock. They describe the smell of open space as a mix of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. 9. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun looks like a standard yellow ball in the sky, but its scale is terrifying. If the Sun were a giant hollow beach ball, you could stuff roughly 1.3 million Earths inside of it. 10. We only know what 5% of the universe looks like. Everything we can see, the stars, planets, entire galaxies, and even your own hands, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The other 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, two completely invisible forces that we still don't fully understand. We are just a tiny speck floating in a massive, beautiful, and chaotic cosmic ocean. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to look up tonight. Stay curious.